guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and we are going to be working on our mini kit Monday layout number 2 for the month of May. Anyway, so before I do that, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut some of these embellishments that I plan to add on to the layout. I've already cut some of them, but I just wanted to show you how I cut them. These are the butterflies from the Diamond Press set. I'm going to put the set name right here. And I took 3 of these dies, guys. So let's go ahead and run this on the machine and show you how it works. And this is a Diamond Press marquee, guys. This is available in hsn.com. The dies are also available in hsn.com or mydiamondpress.com. I love this machine, you guys. You'll see why in a few minutes, if you're in a few. So you saw that I only went through it once. I didn't have a hard time cranking the machine. And look, guys, look how clean this cut are. It only went once, and look how clean. And guys, by the way, your folders are going to warp, just so you know. I'm giving you that a heads up. The folders, this cutting folders, are going to warp, and as you can tell, it's already warped just from one pass. Don't get discouraged from the warping, because the warping doesn't affect the cutting capability of the machine nor the folder. Let me show you our cuts. I have a pick, but those people who don't have picks, let me show you what I do. I just drop it on my desk, see? And then if I have to do it several times, because this is an intricate cut, guys, so you might have to drop it several times. Now, if you don't have a pick, you can use a pen, the tip of your pens or pencil in my case, and then you can just push your die out this way. There you go. There's your die. See how intricate this cut is? And this butterfly here, this die here, I am in love with it. So it cuts the butterfly, and inside it has a second cut. See this? And all you have, and what I do is just, just kind of bend it up a bit. I'm not, forcing it too much, just bending it up a bit, so you'll have some lift to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, I created several here for our second layout. So for this layout, I am planning to use this sticker here and this doily sticker here from Kaiser Craft, 2 patterned papers from the Auburn Lane collection, and I'm going to use the black cardstock as the base for the layout. So let me go ahead and start cutting. I'm just taking off the branding strip here. I'm gonna cut this paper here to 4 by 12, and this paper here, I am going to cut this down to 10 by 10. I'm gonna cut this and have a deep, probably around 1.5 inches. It's a little deep, and this is going to be a banner. So I'm cutting it up 1.5 inches. Take it to the point, and then just turn over and find the point on this other side here. This is my daughter. She's very expressive. Her face, I swear, she has a million faces. I plan to put a sticker down here. I'm not gonna stick it yet. I'm just going to see if it'll work. Then what I plan to do is have some butterflies here. This is her 21st birthday, So I'm just trying to figure out which butterflies I am going to use based on this photo here. And again, you know me guys, I'm a very simple scrapbooker, so it follows that everything that I do is going to be simple and easy for you guys to follow too. I think I'll do it this way. And I'll have a small butterfly there. So I wasn't able to use the big butterfly. So it'll be that way. There's 5 butterflies. I like odd numbers. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and tack this down and leave it alone as it is. And then I might add a few more items here, but in the meantime, I'm happy with what I have here. So these pictures are kind of grainy because we were in a restaurant and the restaurant was kind of dark. I'm going to take a little bit, maybe a 1/4 inch off at the top here. Just so these points are not all the way to the bottom because I don't want them to be bent later. Okay, there you go. And then let's put my daughter's picture up here. And before I fully tack this down, I want the doily to get stuck there at the corner. And then we're going to put our butterflies. So let's stack this one. I'm only going to tack this in the middle. And then we're going to go and grab something here. We're going to grab our numbers. Here's our layout, guys. Another simple one, and she turned 21 in these pictures. And I hopefully got a symbolism here with the butterflies, her spreading her wings and whatnot. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I do still have my giveaway for a $25 digital gift card giveaway. It ends on May 15, 2020. So I will place the link up here, and also down in the description below for you guys to check out the video for the giveaway and the mechanics on how you can join. That is to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. So you guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And yeah, so that's it. This is a very simple layout. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you do like it, please thumbs up. And that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. I will have the third and the fourth layouts coming up soon. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.